Hello, boys and girls. So this is lesson 4.5 in our Go Math books, and we are going to break apart to subtract. So the essential question is, how do you break apart a number to subtract? So you're going to use counters to solve each problem, or you can draw the counters on the work map. Now this lesson is on page 169. 169. So if you need to pause the video so that you can go grab the book, that is fine. Or so that you can find the page number, just please pause the video. All right, so I'm going to read you the following problem, and it says that Tom had 14 pennies, and he gave 4 pennies to his sister. So how many pennies does Tom now have? So you're going to use this workspace above to help solve the problem. So the first problem is, Tom had 14 pennies and he gave 4 pennies to his sister. So we're going to go ahead and draw 14 pennies. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 pennies that he gave to his sister. So I'm going to use a different color to finish counting out my 14, okay? Because I have 4 that he gave to his sister. We know that number for sure. So now we need to know the difference. So I'm going to use a blue marker for my next one. So I'm going to fill in my 10 frame. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we need to get to 14, right? Because he had 14 pennies. We need to know the difference. So I already have 10. Here's my 10 frame. And how many more to get to 14? I need 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So then I'm going to go back and count how many, or what is my difference. So originally I had 4 pennies, and I want to know how many he still has left. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Tom has 10 pennies now because he gave away 4 of those pennies. Now for the next problem, you're going to continue on, and you're going to say that Tom gave 2 pennies to his brother. So for the next one, you're going to start out with the 14 pennies, but he only gave 2 pennies to his brother. So that means you're only going to have 2 pennies here. And then you're going to fill in the rest of them to get to 14 to find out what the difference is. All right, so now turning the page to page 170. So think about 10 to find 13 minus 4. So you're going to have 13 counters in 2 10 frames. So I have one 10 frame that's completely filled out with yellow counters. And then I have 3 counters over here, but we're going to cross those out. So if I cross those out, so 13 minus 3, that will take me down to a 10 frame, right? That would bring me back to a 10. So then I'm going to subtract 1 more, because the original number was 4, not 3, right? It was 4. So I have 13 minus 3, that would take me down to my 10 frame, which is 10. And we still need to subtract 1 more because the magic number was 4. So if I subtract 1 more, that would equal 9. So 13 minus 4 equals 9. And then for the rest of the page, you will continue on. So you will do page 170, 171, and also you will be doing page 172. And I hope you have a great day. I will see you soon.